Hey y'all, so my hair really needs a trim. So today I'm gonna wash it, shampoo it, condition it, and then trim it. So let's start with the shampoo. Okay, so I'm starting with the shampoo. All the hair color is gone just by rinsing my hair. I'm using the Love Hair Revitalizing shampoo, and it says it's made with peroxy oil, coconut oil, and quinoa protein. So it brings your hair back to life, adds shine, and tames frizz. Definitely is needed. So let's see how that works. They just gifted this to me, so I'm just trying it out. Seems like it's shampooing my hair well because my hair did have a lot of buildup from leave-ins. I also see that this is 100% plant-based. Alright, so I'm going to rinse it out with warm water and then follow up with their conditioner. So I applied the conditioner just on the perimeter of my head, along here in the back and my ends. So I have my 3 sections, 2 up front and the back. I'm going to start on this side. This is the Love Hair Nourishing conditioner. This one's made with the peroxy oil, coconut oil, and shea butter. So it's white and creamy. It smells like a orange icicle. No, it smells like an orange popsicle, like the creamsicle scent. It smells really nice. I like this scent. Just gonna run my fingers through, raking the conditioner through. I can tell just from now that I'm gonna have to cover my head with a plastic bag. Ooh, come on. This conditioner is really thick, so you're gonna have to like shake it out. But yeah, I'm gonna have to cover my head with a plastic bag, grocery bag, just for the greenhouse method to soak up the conditioner, because right now I see it's kind of white, and that means it's soaking into my hair, but it's still sitting on top. But I want it to completely soak, so I'm gonna cover it with a grocery bag. Here's my shedded hairs. Alright, so I'm done with the front. This conditioner is very much easy to finger detangle with. Again, it's pretty thick, so I am gonna have enough left over for another wash day. Last section, this one's kind of rough. Alright, so I'm finished smoothing in the conditioner. So I'm gonna use a plastic bag. This one's kind of small. And this little hole up here, I'm gonna make sure I tie on top of it. There we go. Get my ears out and then make sure everything's tucked. Okay, so alright, so now I'm just gonna let it sit and really soak in the conditioner for like 10 minutes. I'm gonna clean up and then come back when it's time to rinse. Okay, so now I'm gonna rinse it out with warm water and then we're gonna start trimming. So I have my hair in my 2 sections, 2 in the front and then the 1 in the back. And now I'm using my DIY hair butter, super creamy. And I'm gonna smooth it on my hair. And I'm gonna start in the back. Okay, I'm gonna apply hair butter on the whole row. And I'm gonna work in small sections. So I'm gonna start with this one and I'm gonna pull it to see how the ends are looking. And they look pretty good. So I'm gonna cut them right here. I'm just cut them here. Make a mini twist by braiding the root and then twisting down. So let's get this front done. So I did the back. So I'm gonna apply my butter, then detangle it. Okay, so I'm gonna brush my hair against my hand so I can see where the ends get dingy. And that's like right there. I'm gonna trim all of that and then twist it up. Okay, so I'm done twisting, I'm done trimming, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up this video, check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.